Hey guys, welcome to another episode on how to use ARI, auto repair software. My name is Cameron, and here's what I have in store for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a client, add a vehicle, and send your first invoice in the ARI Auto Repair app. Log into the app, and first, you need to make sure you have already completed your company profile setup. If not, please check the description. There you will find a link with a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your ARI Auto Repair company profile. Let's get into the Clients section and click on the plus button to add a client. Fill out the client's details, such as their name, email address, phone number, and physical address. You can also add notes or comments about the client in the Notes section if necessary. Once you have entered all the required information, click on the Save button to create a new client profile. The new client profile will be saved in the software's database, and you can access it anytime by searching for the client's name in the Clients section of the software. Now let's go to the Vehicles section and add a vehicle by clicking on the plus button. Starting from the top, you can add a picture using your camera or gallery, and then select the vehicle type from the drop-down menu. You can manually introduce the vehicle identification number, or you can also use your camera and scan the vehicle identification number barcode by clicking on the barcode reader. Once you've entered the vehicle identification number, you can click on Decode VIN, and this will auto-generate more info about your vehicle. Click OK to use this info, and now down on the page you can see that info displayed for you. Of course, you can also manually change any details. You can add the license plate by using your camera or upload a picture, and you can also decode license plate for more info. Down in the page, you can also add private notes. You can also get more info about the vehicle and service history from Carfax or ARI. Once you've finalized all the details, you can hit Save. Now, this vehicle will be displayed in your vehicle's database. You can also open it and make whatever changes you want. When you are on the vehicle page, if you click on the More button, you will have more options like setting up service reminders, add different pictures, assign owner, vehicle invoices, or from here you can also delete this vehicle. To send your first invoice, let's go to the Job Cards section and click on the plus button to add a new job card. Now you need to select the client and vehicle you just created in the previous steps by clicking on them. When you add a vehicle, it will first only show you the vehicles assigned to that client. So, in case that client does not have an assigned vehicle, you can click here and it will show you all the vehicles registered in your database. Down in the page, you can fill in the current mileage, check for pending service reminders. You can also get reliable maintenance and repair data, create a list of DTC errors or other issues, attach a thorough inspection, and get labor times and guides for this vehicle. From here, you can add the parts needed and labor. Under this, you will be able to see all the amounts for taxes, discount, total amount, and if an amount has been paid, then you will also see your profit. Your customer can sign this document. And you can also add pictures of your work or the products. Here you can add warranty and notes. Once you've finished all the details, you are ready to save and continue. From here, you should click on the Invoice section, and here is your invoice. By clicking on this button, you have the option to share a link containing this invoice. Later, the client will have the option to pay it when an online payment is set. And then there are also other options such as send an email, SMS, print, or download this invoice. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. And remember, You can access all ARI features by going Pro. You can do this in ARI settings. See you on the next one.